every single Ram owner's favorite thing to do on these trucks is to pull out the 150,000 screws to get to the grill. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We had to remove the front grille of the truck because we are finally replacing the front Ram letters that have been chipping off from my cheap black duplicolor paint for like the past 6 months now. This is the stuff right here that we put on this truck probably about a year, maybe a year and a half ago. I'll link the video up here in the top corner. However, this was the stuff that I didn't really have a whole lot of hope for, to be honest, because I know you've never been able to paint over chrome and have it paint successfully. However, this is the stuff that was like 30 bucks. It said that you can paint over chrome. The directions legit say, and so basically these C pieces here on the grill, the M, A, and R in that one were all chrome on this truck when I bought it. And so just to do it cheaply, just because I wanted to, I mean, these pieces are not cheap to get painted properly, I spent 30 bucks and tried this. And honestly, I do think it looked really good for a long time. However, long highway trips and whatnot, you could see how bad it's starting to peel, and it just looks god awful. And then honestly, you can see I have my light bar lights that I also got to pull out as well because they are chipping as far as paint too. So what we did to replace these letters, we got a lovely gift from our friends over at Retroshop. Friends over at Retroshop hooked us up. Well, they didn't hook us up, I paid for it. However, they painted this stuff for me. I got both C pieces gloss black so we could replace the crappy job of the ones that I did. And then we also got ourselves some Delmonico Red color matched letters to replace the black ones, and I think that stuff's gonna look really good on a truck. Now, part of me was actually going to do everything Delmonico Red, but I didn't want there to be too much red on a truck. Honestly, I like the whole blackout look, but I didn't want to pay to have everything professionally painted black since I have it black. So I decided to do a little color pop, and we did the Ram letters R-A-M, a Delmonico Red. So literally all we have to do is pull those letters and those light bars out. We'll throw the new letters and C pieces in, throw the truck together, and honestly, we'll see how she looks. All right, grill. Everything here out. Obviously, the grill is now bare. You can see where I took all the letters and C shapes out. This is what we're looking at. I'm not sure how well you could, okay. It's kind of hard to see because how sunny it is. However, you could obviously see my old peeling and chipping Ram letters, C pieces. You can see all the chrome sticking out versus these nice, beautiful, look how perfect that is. Jeremy at Retroshop, he hits the color match out of the park. Personal opinion. Like, these are obviously from him. All my tail lights, everything are from him. Like, that man is a magician with the paint. So literally all we got to do is poke all these into that piece, then into the grill, throw it back together, and then I'll just show you guys the final product. All right, guys, what do you think? Now that the sun set down a little bit more, you could actually see what we've done. You can kind of see, well, no, you can definitely see now. Ram is now Delmonico Red, just to match the truck. It looks very good, very happy. I did not end up doing these little C pieces because honestly, I was afraid of this being too much red, and I think doing everything would have been too much red. This is like the perfect pop, and it's kind of not necessarily like the biggest noticeable part, right? You can see it now because like the sun is faded, but like when the sun was out and everything, you could barely see that, which I kind of like it. I'm glad that it's not like huge attention drawing, if you will. So I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? I think it looks great. It was definitely necessary to get that fixed. I had all that weird paint duplicolor stuff on there and it was chipping off, looking bad. You can see the chrome poking through. I know it didn't look clean. Now this just like cleans the truck up and looks really, really good. Shout out to Retroshop one more time. They do amazing work. Jeremy from Retroshop, and I actually have more Retroshop color match painted stuff to go on this truck, and we'll deal with that next week. I got more color match stuff to come. So far I think that looks great. I'm happy I did that. It's just like the worst part of the Ram though, taking the front end apart. There's so many bolts and so many clips and so many everything. So all that being said, guys, that is it. That's all I got for you guys. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe, join the family, join the Cummins and Corvette content up in the garage there, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.